Are you always looking for new ways to make money? There are actually websites out there where you can earn money if you are good at paying attention to detail. You can take surveys, shop and earn cash back, sell items, find work from home opportunities, or offer your services as a freelancer. All of these are excellent and very different ways to increase your bank account balance. But it never hurts to branch out from your tried and true methods and try something new. In recent years, there has been an increase in the number of companies that pay individuals to, test websites and apps. So, if you're looking for a place where you can get paid to test websites and provide feedback, then keep watching. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $855 or more just by using your gadgets. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Businesses have realized the importance of user experience in driving more sales. Because of this, there are more companies who will pay individuals to test websites and apps. One of those websites is called Validately. So Validately is a user testing tool based in New York. They primarily conduct user experience research for desktop and mobile app testing. Validately is used by businesses to gather qualitative and quantitative UX information for their products, particularly digital products. So this is the type of data that businesses can use to determine, whether a product is successful or not, and if not, what changes need to be made. A broader range of testing capabilities for both moderated and unmoderated testing has also been added. They allow people to sign up as testers because, the digital world is constantly changing. So when you register, they will inquire about your mobile device and the type of computer you own, gender and birth date, education, employment status, job title, annual income, full name, email, PayPal email, and time zone are all required. All of these questions are asked in order to determine your demographic for the types of tests, that may be sent your way. Because some parts of the world have a higher volume of tests than others. Your time zone may influence the frequency with which you receive with them. So Validately requires a PayPal email address because that is how they pay their users. So if you don't have a PayPal email address, enter your regular email address instead. PayPal will then send you an email with instructions on how to create an account. After that, simply click the sign up button and your setup is complete. Well, mostly it's done. Validately will then send you an email to complete the setup process, which includes a screener test. So the screener test will determine if you are a good fit for working at Validately. This test will take about a minute to complete, so it's fine. So Validately requires you to meet a few key requirements in order to take tests. The first thing you should do is to install Google Chrome. So Validately can only be used in this manner. You'll need a microphone, a quiet location with no background noise, then read the video task aloud with the video camera open and ask follow-up questions. You will easily pass the screener test if you follow all of these steps. Well, you should, okay? You will be notified via email whether you passed or failed the exam. If you passed, congrats! You are now ready to begin testing websites and apps for Validately on a regular basis. You should also consider downloading the Validately Recorder app. This allows you to take tests when you are not near a computer. Because you will be using your phone, you should have a very reliable Wi-Fi connection and plug in your phone. As a tester, you will be using your phone's microphone and camera for an extended period of time, which may quickly drain the battery. Now, before I continue about the Validately thing, I want to know if you've ever tried this app before. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Stick around because I'm about to go on the second part. So, the only way to take tests on Validately is to receive an email when a new test is available. Despite the fact you already have a Validately account, there is no site or link to sign into to view your account information. Because these are distributed to a large number of users, a test may be completed, so act quickly to capitalize on the opportunity to earn money. You'll also want to figure out how to set up an alert when these emails arrive, as they can quickly become buried among all the other emails. They are also emailed at random times throughout the day. One thing to keep in mind is that most tests requires you to complete a screener before you can begin taking the test. So this screener is similar to a standard survey screener in that you confirm your age, gender, income, education, and in some cases, ethnicity. So if you are the type of tester they require, the full test will begin. Every email from Validately will have the subject line, $10 for 10 to 15 minutes of your time. So you'll know how long the test is and how much you can expect to earn right away. The amount of testing can vary depending on the length of time. You can only hope to make money with Validately if you receive emails on a regular basis, and that you are receiving these emails prior to the completion of a test. Following the completion of a test, you will receive an email informing you that your responses have been received and will be reviewed within 7 days. Your responses will be graded, and if they're really good, you will be paid within 7 days. Okay, let me talk about the payment method. I know you're getting excited. So, to be paid through Validately, you must first create or have an existing PayPal account. That is where all of your earnings will be directed. If you didn't already have a PayPal account when you signed up, PayPal should have sent you an email with instructions on how to set one up. When you are paid, you will receive an email from PayPal stating that you have been paid by Validately. As it was in the test, the amount will be clearly indicated. Most tests are $10, but some are $5 or $15, and even more rarely, tests pay $30, $40, or $100. These higher paying tests are usually live and remotely broadcasted, and they last much longer. Your money will typically be deposited into your account within the 7-day window specified in your automated submission email from Validately. So Validately can earn anywhere around from $20 to $40 per month on average. Some users claim to make more than $100 per month. Again, it is entirely dependent on the information provided by your screener and how frequently you check your email. So you've got to check those emails. Validately is available worldwide. You can join the site no matter where you live. You can register as a tester if you are at least 18 years old. There are no language requirements, but you must ensure that you speak good English before joining. So now that you know all this information, are you excited to try another method of earning money? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!